media. I know you are participants, you are part of this meeting, but I think at this point, if you please excuse us with the camera, just sit down and participate. Let's go to the business of the day.
There's nothing secret about what we're doing. There's absolutely nothing secret about what we're doing. Don't do that, please.
The media, please.
No.
You are.
No! 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 There's absolutely nothing wrong with what
the media has to cover everything we're doing here.
What we are
Why would you want the media to
cover what we are doing? We are not running a secret society. This is about elections.
Why do you want the media to
running a secret society.
What are you hiding?
In fact, that is a sign that there is something wrong. Why are you watching out the media?
Why are you watching out the media? In a free society?
In a free society, in an election.
Why are you watching out the media?
In an election.
We are here for stakeholders and you can and the media not stakeholders.
You cannot do
And the media not stakeholders. And the media not stakeholders.
and running the main race are here so that they know what
And the media not stakeholders.
enough is enough. Enough is enough.
And the media not stakeholders.
Let's see what will happen here. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
And the media not stakeholders.
Enough is enough. I am happy the nine race are here. You are seeing what's happening. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Why invite the media? At this point in time, what is the meeting? This is the meeting now. They are about to enter and you're asking the media to leave the hall. Who does that? You invited the media, you're asking the media to leave the hall. At the heat of the meeting, who does that? It's not possible, it's not going to happen. What are you hiding from the public? INEC, what are you hiding from the public?
The governor of Imo State promised to sponsor the
Don't mind him.
Yes.
What are they hiding from the media? What are they hiding from the media? Why ask the media to leave the place?
Don't bother yourself.
He's here to play his game.
What are you hiding?
about this election. This one.